If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey folks, Larry here, and welcome to Mail Call. Right now, I want to just show you a bit more paper that you can pick up from Frank at Federalist Pens and Paper, and it's the one and only, my favorite, the Tomo River paper. It's always been my favorite. It always will be. That doesn't mean I don't like other papers. And this is the A5 size dot grid. So if you have a Lot B journal, it would fit into that just fine. Or any A5 size cover. So let's take it out and see what it looks like inside. Like dot grid, okay? And as you see, I already did a little writing for a test, and it did real well. Of course, it's Tomo River paper, and it does fine. So this is what it looks like inside, and the paper just feels so great. And you get a total of 160 pages. This is the white color, and it's Tomo River 52 G's, okay? Really nice paper, and I believe you can pick this, well, like I said, up at Federalist Pens and Paper, and on the cover it's the new type. So check out Frank, see what he got. He got all kinds of papers. Now, for our next mail call, a box. Not just any box, but the box. Let me get my old cutter here. Whatever I did with it, did Mr. Announcer have any idea what I did?
I haven't seen it.
Well, I'm sure. There it is, right here. Cutter. Now, this comes from a friend of mine. Thank you, Norm Morris. This comes from Australia. All right. Down me kangaroo, down, boy. Down me kangaroo, down. Oh. Yeah. All right. And actually, this came, was it Friday?
Yes, I believe so.
Yeah. But I just couldn't even get to it. I think I fell on my face. I'm not sure. What do you think, Mr. Announcer?
Well, we have been a little busy.
Yeah, a little bit. Oh, wow.
Oh.
Check this bad boy out. Not one, but
I was going to say there's two of them.
Wow. Check it out. Oh, my stars. Check this out, baby. Wow. Australia, baby. Wow. And look at the kangaroos. Woo.
Oh, yeah, that's a nice one. I like
This
that.
is a good-looking hat. Whoa. Like a low. Leave it to Beaver. All right. I got to, of course, look at myself in there. Look a lot. All right. Ta-da, ta-da, ta ta. Yep, good-looking hat. Of course, I'll size this in a minute. So, hey, Norm, my man. Thank you. Thank you so much, Norm. And I got some brochures that Norm always sends me that I will look at later. And, of course, the letter. All right, folks, that's it today. Thank you for joining me on Mail Call Day. Peace, love, be kind to a stranger, and as always, my friends, don't text and drive. Bye-bye.